Downloaded a custom Windows Media Player skin and want to apply it to personalize your player? WMP Files transform the look and feel of Microsoft's classic media app. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install these Windows Media Player skin files. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single WMP file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. A WMP file is a skin file used to customize the graphical user interface of Microsoft's Windows Media Player. Users download or create these files to change the player's appearance, including its buttons, background, and layout. The primary intent is personalization of the media player experience. The file is typically a compressed archive, JScript renamed to WMP, containing XML definitions, JScript files for functionality, and image assets, PNG, JPG. This package-based design allows for easy distribution and installation of self-contained themes, separating visual elements from the core player logic. The core association for the WMP file points directly to Windows Media Player, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Native Windows utilities may fail to correctly allocate memory for the file's execution. Windows exposes the file's contents, yet modifications must be done with care to avoid misconfiguration. Your most effective first step: right-click the WMP file and select Open With. If Windows Media Player is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Keep testing until the file becomes accessible. If your WMP file will not open yet, do not panic. This WMP format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, applying the skin. Double-click the WMP file in Windows Explorer to launch Windows Media Player and apply the skin automatically. The player switches to skin mode, displaying the new interface design. Use the View menu in WMP to toggle between skin mode and the standard full mode appearance as needed. Next, managing installed skins. Open Windows Media Player in Access View, then Skin Chooser to manage all installed skins. Select different skins to preview them and click Apply Skin to activate. Remove unwanted skins by selecting them and pressing Delete to clean up your skin library and free disk space. Finally, editing skin files. Open the WMP file with a zip utility like 7-zip to access the internal XML and image resources. Edit the skin definition XML in a text editor and replace graphics with new images. Repackage the modified files to create a custom skin variation for personal use or distribution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.